Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to switch to professional account on Instagram. Let's get started. Firstly, open up your Instagram app and go to your profile by clicking at your profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. And then go to menu by clicking at the three horizontal lines at the top right corner of your screen and select settings and privacy. Scroll down until you find account type and tools and click on that and tap on switch to professional account. Just click continue until you finish all the pages and select what best describes your professional account and then click next until you're done. Once you go back to your profile, you will see a professional dashboard, which means that your account is now a professional account. And that's it. You successfully switched your account. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!